Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the emergency door opening system.
All our Deepal S07 are equipped with the electronic door opening system, which is the button here. Just give a click and you are able to open the door. In case the button doesn't work, there is an emergency door opening system just underneath the armrest. Just give a push over here. It will open up for you. There's a yellow ring that you can pull and you will open the door.
For the rear door, you can also do the same procedure by popping out the cover and pull the yellow ring. In the worst scenario, when you are unable to open any of the doors, you can hop over to the trunk area. Over here. Open the cover here. Push the yellow latch towards the right side and the boot will open.